Are you ready to start making professional-looking videos without spending hours learning complicated software? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use CapCut on your computer, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to import your footage, edit it with ease, add eye-catching enhancements, and export a polished final video that's ready to share with the world. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get CapCut set up. Head over to the official CapCut website, or you can just search CapCut Download to find the installer for either Windows or Mac, depending on what you're using. Go ahead and download the installer. It's a fairly small file, so it shouldn't take long. Once it's ready, run the installer and simply follow the on-screen instructions. CapCut makes the setup process really straightforward, so just click through, and in a few moments you'll have the app installed and ready to go. If you ever get stuck in this part, don't worry. Most installation issues can be solved by restarting your computer or re-downloading the installer. Next, it's time to start a new project. Launch CapCut, and right on the home screen, you'll see a button that says Create Project. Give that a click. This opens up your workspace where all the magic happens. Before you import anything, here's a pro tip. Keep all your video and audio files organized in a dedicated folder first. This makes your editing process much smoother, especially if you're working with multiple clips, background music, or voiceovers. Now, import your media by clicking the Import button, or if you're like me and enjoy the drag and drop life, just pull your files directly into the import area. Once imported, your clips will show up in the media library. All you need to do to start editing is drag each clip down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is a bit like a digital workbench. It's where you'll rearrange, trim, and refine your project. Let's move on to editing your video. You can trim a clip by grabbing its ends on the timeline and dragging them until only the best moments remain. If you need a precise cut, say to remove a blooper or split your video into sections, use the split button or press the B key on your keyboard, which turns the cursor into a razor blade. Just click wherever you want to cut, and CapCut handles the rest. To remove unwanted sections, try using the Delete Left or Delete Right shortcuts. These let you quickly clear out anything before or after your current selection. And if you need to rearrange the order of your clips, it's as simple as clicking and dragging clips into the spot you want, just like rearranging photos on a corkboard. Want to get more creative? Select any clip on the timeline, and you'll see a bunch of editing options pop up. Adjust the scale if you want to zoom in, tweak the position to focus on key moments, or rotate the clip for a dynamic effect. You can also make sound adjustments or even speed your footage up for a cool time-lapse. Let's take things to the next level with enhancements. Starting with text, head over to the Text tab and choose a text template. Drag it onto the timeline, then customize the font style, size, color, and even animation. Imagine adding a bold opening title or playful subtitles. This is the place. For effects and filters, browse through CapCut's library and just drag your favorites onto a clip. You can adjust how long an effect lasts by stretching or shrinking it on the timeline. If you want your clips to flow smoothly, use transitions. Find the Transitions tab, then drag a transition between two clips. Adjust its duration to control how quickly the transition plays out. This makes your edit feel much more polished. Don't forget music. Import an audio track and drag it onto the timeline's audio section. You can lower the volume so it sits nicely under your voice, and set fade-ins or fade-outs for smooth beginnings and endings. Finally, once your video is ready, let's export it. Hit that Export button, usually top right. Give your video a name, pick where to save it, and take a look at the export settings like resolution and frame rate. If you're not sure, the default options are great for most uses, but feel free to bump up the quality for a special project. Click Export, and CapCut will render your video and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've just completed your first project in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you run into any challenges or have questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials and video tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.